Plane table surveying is one of the methods of surveying in which field observations and plotting of details proceed simultaneously. The plane tabling may be defined as graphical construction of straight lines, angles, and triangles for plotting the ground detail points. Principle of plane tabling is parallelism, that the lines joining the points on the plane are made parallel to their corresponding lines joining the ground points. The instruments used in plane table surveying are the plane table, the Elidade, a spirit level, the magnetic compass, plumbing fork, and drawing paper. First one is plane table. The plane table consists of a wooden table mounted on a light wooden tripod in such a way that the tabletop may be rotated about its vertical axis and can be clamped in any position. The tabletop is leveled by adjusting the legs of the tripod. The table measures 75 into 60 cm and the legs are usually 120 cm long. The instrument is made entirely of well-seasoned wood, except for the metal plate, bolts, nuts, and screws, which are of brass, and the shoes of the legs, which are of iron. The second one is Elidade. A plane table Elidade is a straight edge with some form of sighting device. There are two types of Elidade are generally used: plane Elidade and telescopic Elidade. Plane Elidade generally consists of a metal or wooden rule with two vanes at the ends. One of the vanes, known as right vane, is provided with a narrow slit with three holes, and the other vane, which is known as object vane, and it is open and carries a hair or a thin wire stretched between the top and bottom of the slit. The working edge of Elidade is known as fiducial edge, and a plane Elidade can be used only when the elevations or depressions of the objects are low. Second type of Elidade is telescopic Elidade. The Elidade which is fitted with a telescope is known as telescopic Elidade. It is generally used when it is required to take inclined sights. Telescope increases the range and accuracy at the site. Next one is a spirit level. It consists of a small metal tube which contains a small bubble. The spirit level may also be circular, but its base must be flat so that it can be laid on the table. The table is truly level when the bubble remains central all over the table. Next one is the magnetic compass. A box compass consists of a magnetic needle pivoted at its center freely. It is used for orienting the plane table to magnetic north. Next one is plumbing fork. The plumbing fork consists of a hairpin shaped brass frame having two equal arms of equal length. One end has a pointer while a plumbing bob is attached to the other end. It is used in large scale survey for accurate centering of the station location on the table over its ground position. Last one is drawing paper. The drawing paper used for plane tabling must of be superior quality so that it can stand erasing. It, it may experience minimum effect of distortion due to climatic changes. Now the working operations of plane table surveying. Following three operations are carried out at each plane table station. First one is fixing the plane table on the tripod. Second one is setting up the plane table, and next one is sighting the ground stations and intersected points. First step is fixing the plane table on tripod. In this operation, the tripod is roughly held at the height of 1.2 meter from ground level. The tabletop is placed on the tripod such that it fits well with the clamping assembly of the tripod. The bolt with a washer is then tightened. Next one is setting up the plane table. The setting of the plane table consists of three operations. First one is labeling the plane table, second one is centering, and third one is orientation. In labeling, the tabletop is made truly horizontal. For a rough and a small scale work, labeling can be done by eye estimation, whereas for accurate and large scale work, labeling is achieved with an ordinary aspirate label. Second one is centering. In this operation, the location of the plane table station on the paper is brought exactly vertical above the ground station position. For rough and small scale work, exact centering of the station is not necessary, and only center of the bubble may be centered over the ground position. It is done by U-fork, that is plumbing fork. Next one is orientation. In this operation, the plane table is set at a station such that its edges make a fixed angle with a fixed direction. Orientation is a process in which the lines joining the locations of the ground stations on the sheet are made parallel to their respective ground lines. It is done by two methods: orientation with a magnetic compass and orientation with a back ray. And the last working operation is sighting the ground station. In this operation, the table is accurately centered and labeled over the ground station. After sighting, the ground control point is sighted through sight vane of LED such that the station, the thread of the object vane, and the slit pole of the sight vane all are in a straight line. Thank you.